What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a deep dive into a budget-friendly piece of home gym equipment, the OPPSDECOR Adjustable Weight Bench. This bench is marketed as an all-in-one solution for strength training, core work, and full body workouts, and it's rated to handle up to 900 pounds. I'll break down its packaging, assembly, pricing, features, performance, and whether it's worth adding to your home gym. Let's get started. So the bench arrived in a single box, packaged securely. Inside, every item was sealed in plastic and well organized, with heavier items at the bottom and lighter ones on top. Some pieces had labels, but honestly, the user manual was so detailed that I didn't even need them. It includes a detailed parts list with clear diagrams to help you identify each component during assembly. The user manual also provides exercise guidelines with illustrations for various workouts, giving you ideas on how to maximize a bench's features. Additionally, it includes maintenance tips, such as how to clean the bench, check for loose bolts periodically, and ensure the padding and frame remain in good condition over time. Overall, the manual is thorough and beginner-friendly, making assembly and usage straightforward. I also want to point out that this product comes with a 2-year warranty, and as we just covered, the assembly is broken into 16 steps, which we'll cover next. So the assembly was pretty straightforward and took me about 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. The instructions are clear with step-by-step illustrations that make the process easy to follow, even for beginners. All the necessary tools are included in the box, such as a wrench, but I'd recommend using a ratchet or a socket wrench to speed things up and ensure everything is tightened securely. One thing I appreciated was how the bolts and parts were organized, making it easy to match them with the manual. Here's some quick tips to make your assembly smoother. Pre-read the manual. Skim through the instructions before starting to get an idea of the process and avoid any missteps. Lay out all the parts. Organize the pieces and check against the parts list to ensure nothing is missing before you begin. Tighten the bolts evenly. For stability, it's important to loosely secure the bolts in place first and tighten them fully once everything is aligned. Double check stability. After assembly, go back and make sure all bolts are tight to prevent any wobbling during use. Now for space efficiency, this bench does take up some room. But considering its versatility, it's a great space saver compared to owning multiple pieces of equipment. Its dimensions are 20 inches wide, 63 inches long, and 18 inches high to the top of the seat, making it a bit larger than some other budget benches. The backrest is 35 inches long and 11 inches wide, offering plenty of support for users of different heights. For comparison, my RitFit adjustable weight bench measures 48 inches long, 29 inches wide, and 17.7 inches high. So while the OPPSDECOR bench has a longer frame, the seat pad and backrest dimensions are nearly identical. The extra length on the OPPSDECOR bench may make it better suited for taller users or those who want more stability during exercises, while still being compact enough to fit in most home gym setups. Its multifunctional design means it can replace several pieces of equipment, like a preacher curl bench, Roman chair, a sit-up bench, saving you both space and money in the long run. At around $130, the OPPSDECOR Adjustable Weight Bench offers amazing value. I couldn't find anything cheaper out there that matches its features and build quality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this bench provides the versatility and durability you need to elevate your home gym workouts. Alright, let's talk about what makes this OPPSDECOR bench stand out. This all-in-one workout bench combines multiple functions into a single piece of equipment. The adjustable backrest, which offers incline, flat, and decline positions with 8 angles, from 60 degrees incline down to -10 degrees decline. The preacher curl pad, adjustable to 8 positions with an upgraded straw mat pattern for better grip. The Roman chair hyperextension, great for strengthening the lower back and glutes. The ab sit-up bench, an adjustable seat with 3 angles to choose from. Now this bench does include 2 resistance bands, but they're very light, around 5 pounds of resistance, so I'd recommend upgrading to stronger bands if you plan to use them regularly. The build quality is just as impressive. It's lightweight and the frame is made of heavy-duty commercial-grade steel with a weight capacity of 900 pounds. The padding is decent and firm, providing nice support, while the synthetic covering is durable and easy to clean, perfect for those sweaty workouts. Now this bench shines in terms of performance, and here's what you can do. Chest press, flat, incline, and decline. It feels sturdy and secure, providing a smooth range of motion for chest development at various angles. Preacher curls are just standard curls, designed to isolate the biceps effectively, allowing for precise and controlled movements. Roman chair extensions, perfect for targeting and strengthening the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, with comfortable padding for added support. Sit-ups and reverse crunches, excellent for core training, with a leg holder keeping you stable and aligned for an effective workout. Shoulder press and rows, like I mentioned, it features a solid, well-built frame that supports heavy dumbbell or barbell work, offering stability for shoulder and back exercises. So the only downside is the resistance bands. They're a bit too light for meaningful strength training, and it feels about 5 pounds of resistance. But that's easy to fix by swapping them out with more durable bands. So is the OPPSDECOR Adjustable Weight Bench worth it? Absolutely, if you have the room for it. It's versatile, sturdy, and a great addition to any home gym, especially for its price. If you're looking for an all-in-one bench that's reliable and budget-friendly, this is a solid pick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more home gym equipment reviews and tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next one.